Today, I'm taking you inside this stunning mezzanine apartment in Leeds City Centre. It's got a bright open living space, a modern kitchen, and an amazing mezzanine bedroom overlooking the city. I'll give you the full tour and show you what it's really like to stay here. So, let's get into it.
I am so excited to show you this room, guys. It is a luxury apartment in the centre of Leeds, and it's right in the city centre. It's fantastic. I'm looking forward to showing you it. I'm looking forward to going back into the room, to be honest. Quite noisy outside, so I'm not bothered to film outside, but open up to a lovely Christmas tree and a chandelier. Now, you could either take the stairs all the way to the top, or there is a lift as well, but we're going to take the lift. Let's go. We're on floor 2. So, this is the second floor. We've got some pictures on the side of different singers. We've got Queen there, Freddie Mercury. We've got David Bowie on there as well. And some plants down here. You don't care about plants, guys. Anyway, up to the next floor. There we go. I think it's really cool, these really big beams as well. Just shows you how old the building is. So we're in room 37. Thank you to Elliot, who has arranged this on booking.com. I'm so excited. So as soon as I walked into this room, I was already very impressed. That door is quite heavy though, to be honest. But just walking in here straight away, I was like, wow, this is incredible. For the price as well that you pay for this room for one night. Now, I have paid for it on a Monday night, so it will be cheaper than, say, a weekend, which could vary from like £300 to £400 in a 5-star hotel. So, to be able to get an apartment on your own for the price that I've paid for is fantastic. And I will tell you the price of the room later on, and I think you will be very surprised. Let's go take a look around the apartment. So as soon as you walk through the door, the amazing solid wooden door, it's very sturdy this, there's a huge mirror to look at yourself before you leave and make sure you're looking beautiful. There is a lovely staircase leading up to the mezzanine floor, which we will be looking at in a little bit. There's also a table and also a welcome mat, which I've placed my shoes on. Now, let's have a look at this room. This is incredible. I mean, look at this. I've put a fireplace on the TV, so you've got a big flat screen TV, which is decent. I think it's about maybe 40 inches, which is really good. I put a fireplace on because it's nice and cozy, and I think it suits the room really well. So there is access to Netflix and YouTube on there, which is fantastic. There is internet and Wi-Fi as well, that's completely free. Lovely lights in the corners as well, and also this beam, which is going up to the top. Oh, can't show that yet. So we've got this lovely sofa here. Look how huge it is. Wow, it's amazing. And they've got some comfortable throws as well on top of it. And then over here, there's a little dining area with all of your plates and everything. These are a nice colour. And a plate mat as well, and some glasses. Wow, and you can also see the beams here as well. I really love all this, like old, I think that's like iron, cast iron. It's just been painted over. Wow, very impressive. And over here in the corner, which is really cool, is a kitchen, a very small kitchen. Now you've got everything that you need. You've got a kettle, you've got a little hob here for cooking, you have your pans on. We've also got an oven as well. An actual oven in an apartment. This is so cool. Cupboard spaces, got all this stuff that you need in there. Pans down there. Dishwasher as well, which is really random. Toaster up there as well. And then a microwave built into the wall here. That's very cool. And look how clean that is. Spotless. Very, very clean. Impressed with that. Over here on the right, there's also, can you guess what it is? We have a fridge, and that is incredibly clean. Wow. I did notice this though. I think I need to get rid of the milk. And down here as well, I believe this is probably a freezer, and they've got some food up there, which is a bit random. I think they've forgot to remove that. But yeah, got some freezer space down here. I think they've got ice in there. Perfect. And over here, what have we got in here? Wow, okay. Glassware to last you an entire week. There's also a shot cup measurer thing as well. And some more cups and plates up there as well. Got sauces up here too, and salt and pepper. Wow, Wow, this is huge. Everything's been nicely cleaned and polished. Everything's very shiny, very silver and shiny. A very strange shaped mirror there. Some fake plants in the corner, but this shower looks lovely. It's quite big as well. Toilet's looking clean and well kept. Some towels there as well for showers. Nice sliding door, I really like that. It's better than the ones that open. Some complimentary shower gel, shampoo. Quite a big shower this. Can't really, yeah, wow. Could fit maybe 4 people in here. So this sofa is incredibly comfortable. You could easily fit maybe 4 people on here, which is fantastic. Plenty of room, very comfortable. You've also got some throws as well, in case you feel a little bit cold, but this room is very warm, so you're absolutely fine. Currently watching TV, watching my favourite YouTuber, Venture Unbound. So I am already really impressed with this room. It's fantastic. It's quite big as well, and for the price, you will be amazed at the end. I keep repeating myself, but I am so shocked with how good it is. It's fantastic. Let's go take a look at the mezzanine floor. So it's quite comfortable carpets as you walk up, but this is so cool. I mean, look at the size of this. Look at the size of this bed. It's huge. Look at this. That is fantastic. I've never stayed in anywhere like this before, but you can see all the nice old beam work. Very old building. Got some seating area down here to sit and get ready for your night out. We've got makeup wipes and cotton buds. Little fake plant on the edge there. It got light here. I've not figured out how to work it. I think it's supposed to be touchscreen, but I can't get it to work. But wow, look at this bed. And then also, look at the view. Look at this. So it's Christmas markets at the moment. If you've not seen that video, I will put it at the end of the video. But you can see the Ferris wheel. I did go on this on the video as well. But wow, look at the view. Looks like a balcony out there as well. I don't think we can get out to the balcony, but there's a whole view of Leeds City Centre. Wow, just being able to sit on the bed and just be able to like look outside, like that is incredible. Wow. So by the wonderful huge bed, we've also got some drawers as well. No Bible. Where's the Bible? Lovely light, very vintage looking. Over here we've got another table as well, another same light, plenty of space. And then over here there's a huge cupboard which is acting as a wardrobe. Just put the light on. I've already moved myself in and placed some stuff. There's a little coat hanger there to place your coat on top, and also this hanging like shelving thing where you can put all sorts of like light items, nothing too heavy because it's quite fragile, but plenty of space in there. Time for the bed test. Oh yeah! Wow, that is super comfortable. It's like a cloud. Seriously though, this is really comfortable. The bed is incredibly comfy, very spongy. This is so nice, guys. It's fantastic. Got plenty of cushions and pillows and a fantastic view of Leeds City Centre. So I am incredibly impressed with this apartment. It is incredible. I have never stayed in such an amazing room ever. This is fantastic, and I hope that we go and see more places like this because I am really enjoying this experience, and I would come back here again. For one night in this room it costs £99. Now that is on a Monday evening. Now if it was on a weekend it will cost around maybe £200 per night, but that's to be expected. If you are wanting to stay here during the week, it's around £90, £99, which I've paid for on a Monday, which is incredibly good. And it is in the heart of Leeds City Centre as well, which is fantastic if you're wanting to go shopping or you're wanting to go and visit the Leeds Christmas market, which is currently still on. So for £99 per night in a room like this, would you stay here? Comment below if you would. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out. I'm hoping to get to maybe 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Fingers crossed I make it there, because my aim is to grow the channel, hoping to go to 5-star hotels, maybe travel to places abroad and see luxury 5-star hotels or villas, or maybe even bigger apartments like this. But honestly guys, this has been such a fantastic stay. I mean, it's very comfortable, very cheap as well. It's fantastic, £99. You can't go wrong, honestly. £99, it's fantastic for everything that you get. So thank you very much for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
Have a good evening and see you guys later.